What's up guys, welcome back to our channel for today's video. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever we drop a new and interesting video like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn on Webflex24. Find the link below to register. So on this site, registration and earning is free, absolutely free, trust me. It's legit, I'm paying because I've made withdrawals several times. Okay, so here is the site. If you have not registered, as I said, find the link below. So when you register, this site will award you 5,000 ruby. Okay, and this 5,000 ruby will be put on your bonus account, and on this bonus account you can easily use it to invest. So how do you invest with it? You come here to your package. When you come to your package, no, that is after you must have invested. So you come to purchase package. You can see that purchase package. So when you click on it, it brings you here. So these are the packages they have: package 1, 2 and 3. So you choose package 1. Okay, you choose package 1, you select it, and so the 5,000 ruby is going to be here. Then you hit select, and your investment is going to last for 12 months. Okay, then you enter the number of ruby like this and click on buy. So you can see I've successfully purchased the package. Now if I come to my package now, your packages, you can see you can see I have package 1 here, package 2, and this is another package which I just purchased. So, and this is what you are going to be earning if you purchase with your 5,000 ruby. So you'll be having 30 ruby every day, and this ruby is going to be credited into your savings account. So when you get to your savings account, you hit the saving account and you convert it. So you convert it with this rate. Successfully completed. Okay, it has added it to my withdrawal account. Then that is another thing here, which is bonus program. So you as a first timer, there will be a set of tasks here to which you can perform and earn 100 ruby each, which you can equally use to invest as well. And that is another one here, affiliate program. So each person you invite to the program, you earn 100 ruby, so which will be credited into your bonus account and which can later be used to purchase a package. So each package you purchase must be renewed every 24 hours. Like if I come to my package now, your package is counting down. You know why? Because I didn't invest. So I am running a free package. So I need to come here once in 24 hours. Once this time runs down, because it's counting down. So this one now, I need to come here and reinvest after 6 hours, 26 minutes, and that seconds. So this one as well, you need to come here once in 24 hours and renew the package. So otherwise it's just gonna be there. So that's what you need to be doing if you don't want to invest. But once you invest, so you don't need to renew your package. It's just gonna be like that. Keep mining for you for 12 months. It depends on the package which you choose. So they have 3 different packages. Okay, so it depends on the one you choose. So it's as simple as that. So this is how you hang here. Okay, so you have 4 accounts: bonus account, savings account, and withdrawal accounts. So thank you very much. This is how you hang here. So try to open your account today and begin to hang for free. Thank you. We love you.